Okay, so just wanted to, every morning it's been doing the same thing, so I wanted to get on a video just so you could see what it does. So I press the brake, nothing. Then it says chassis stabilization, drive moderately, check engine light popped on. Come over here, it does this every time. So I let it sit for a minute. You can hear like a little buzz, like a vacuum. It's almost like it's pressuring up or something. Gonna wait until that stops before I start it again. That's the thing. Keep in mind the check engine light was not on. It was on yesterday, but when I drive it, it eventually goes off. I can still hear that thing almost priming. That's what it sounds like. Could be wrong, but I'm not sure. Gonna wait until it stops before I try it again. Drivetrain malfunction. It's gone on. It's been happening ever since I got the car fixed. It started doing it the second day after I got it back, but it started back up and the check engine light went off. So I didn't think nothing of it, but then the next morning took a little while longer. This might seem like a long video, but I think it's important to get it here so we know the situation. I still hear the primer, the pump, or whatever that is. I have everything else off, from the fans to stereo. Okay, I'm gonna give it another shot, even though I can still hear it. All right, here we go. Nothing. Then it goes to that one. Fuel system malfunction. Chassis stabilization. It's going crazy. Then it goes. And now the check engine light stays on. And the chassis stabilization. Drive moderately, consult nearest service center. So, took 3 minutes. Pretty aggravating, but just wanted to document it for you.